I'm going to show you how fast and user-friendly EasyCam's version 22 MilPro software really is. I'm going to show you how to automatically place the coordinate system, the UCS, in the center of the part. In this list, you can see there are several automatic options to choose from. I'm going to select top middle. Now that the coordinate system is where I would like it, I'm going to machine all the rough material around the part. We'll go use the 3D machining wizard and create a roughing operation. Now I don't want the tool jumping around into this cavity. I'm going to create a secondary roughing operation for that. So I'm going to create a boundary curve to keep the tool from going in there. I hit the F12 key on my keyboard and EasyCam automatically generates all the boundary curves, or all the curves that we could use for machining this part. This curve here is curve 8. That's going to be our secondary path, which is an island. Back to the wizard, roughing 2. And this time we're going to use curve 8 as our path. Next, we're going to finish all of the flat surfaces, removing the 15 thousandths. So we'll go back to our wizard. Our surface angle is going to be 0. We're going to machine only flat surfaces. And finally, we're going to finish the sloped surface and the radius at the bottom. Add machining surfaces. And we want the work step to be aware of the surrounding surfaces so they don't roll into them or gouge them. So we go in and make those a check surface. In under 5 minutes, we've just completed the top section of this part. You can reach us at www.easycam.com, or you can call us by 508-347-3222.